The Solar System.
Introduction. The solar system is a system of planets, asteroids, moons, and more orbiting the sun. There are many like ours, however, this discussion will be on our own for the most part. The planetary order traditionally goes Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Various planets have moons, like Jupiter and Earth. Mars and Jupiter are separated by a colossal ring of rocks known as the asteroid belt.
Because of Pluto's small size, it has been classified as a dwarf planet.
The solar system is surrounded by a huge cluster of space dust known as the Oort Cloud. The universe is vast and complex, but that does not mean that the solar system is small and simplistic. The solar system itself has many unique things about it. It is worth exploring. The age of the universe.
The solar system is 4.571 billion years old. The universe, for scale, is only a little over 3 times the age of the solar system. The solar system is old, but it has a long way to go, for a star can live to be older than the universe currently is. 15 billion years, the universe is 13.8 billion years old. Plus, when a sun-like star dies, a planetary nebula is born. This means, in theory, that the solar system could be around indefinitely, except it wouldn't be a solar system, but just a planetary system since there is no star present. The Sun. The Sun is 4.603 billion years old, older than the solar system. This only makes sense since you need a star in order for there to be a solar system. The Sun is the center of the solar system. Everything in the solar system revolves around the Sun, heliocentric. It's the big boss, and what it says goes. Without the Sun, life on Earth could not exist. A lot of material in the solar system comes from the Sun. In a way, the Sun is the solar system. Mercury. Mercury, the planet, not the element, is 4.503 billion years old. It is the closest to the Sun and has the fastest revolution around the Sun compared to all the planets in the solar system. It takes 87.97 Earth days to make a complete orbit around the Sun. This is about 3 Earth months. Venus. Venus is also 4.503 billion years old. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system due to its atmosphere, with an average temperature of a whopping 462 degrees Celsius or 864 degrees Fahrenheit. That'll burn the cookies in the oven, and the house too. Earth. Earth is 4.543 billion years old, older than both Mercury and Venus. Earth is the only known planet that supports life in today's world. This is unique not just in the solar system, but in the whole universe as far as we know now. Mars. Mars is 4.603 billion years old. Mars is a red planet and is believed to have once been a habitable place for life itself. However, today there is no life on Mars. One day it is believed that Mars will have life once more. Jupiter. Jupiter is 4.503 billion years old, like Mercury and Venus. Jupiter is the largest of all the planets and can fit 1,300 Earths inside its boundaries. Jupiter is a planet made of gas, and it is unknown if it has a solid core or not. So far, Jupiter has 79 known moons orbiting it, while the Earth has 1. Saturn. Saturn is 4.503 billion years old, just like Jupiter, Mercury, and Venus. Saturn is a gas giant like Jupiter. Saturn has gigantic rings orbiting it. Uranus. Uranus is 4.503 billion years old, just like Jupiter, Mercury, Venus, and Saturn. Uranus is a gas giant like Jupiter and Saturn. Uranus is tilted to where its poles are east and west. Uranus has rings like Saturn, but unlike Saturn's near horizontal rings, Uranus's rings are vertical. Neptune. Neptune is 4.503 billion years old, just like Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, Mercury, and Uranus. Neptune is an ice giant. Neptune is a deep blue, like the deep blue sea the Roman god Neptune, who it was named after, swam in. Pluto. Pluto is 4.46 to 4.6 billion years old. Pluto is the smallest planet in the solar system. Pluto is so small that it has been classified as a dwarf planet. Pluto also has 5 moons, and Pluto is the coldest planet with an average temperature of negative 229 degrees Celsius or negative 380 degrees Fahrenheit. This would be the perfect place to store your food. Of course, if you are willing to travel 2.66 billion miles to 4.67 billion miles to get to it. Conclusion. The universe is vast and has many unique phenomena in it. The solar system, yet small in scope to the universe, has its own unique things about it that makes it worth exploring and studying for many eons to come. The end. Coming soon. The first world. Venus. Earth. Thank you for watching The World Aloha. If you like my content and want to see more, go to theworldaloha.com.